What's going on, everyone? My name is Dudo, and I'm the Goalie Gear Snob, and for those of you that may or may not know, I'm the Dallas Stars emergency backup goaltender, and for all the home games I'm required to be at, I like to be there early, film the away goalies, and break down the gear and tell you what they're wearing. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Colorado Avalanche, featuring Mackenzie Blackwood and Wedgewood. I did just want to preface this that Blackwood did start the warm-up and start the game, and he was pulled after 4 goals at the 4-1 score, and then the final score was 5-4 with the Avalanche winning in a shootout. So I guess Wedgewood must have done something right. He must have known, he must have been able to scout the team a little bit, almost like he knew them a little bit. So looking at Blackwood first, he is using a lot of true gear, and he did make the off-season switch into Warrior sticks, which is pretty cool to see. I really like the simplicity of the HZRDUS graphic here with the all white on the face, tiny little bit of maroon logos, and of course that DC blue or Colorado blue light channel. I think it pops really well. Looking at Wedgewood here, he is wearing his full maroon-based L87 Nitro set, and I think this looks absolutely fantastic with any jersey that they wear. One small interesting note is that instead of using 2 of these super tight fit calf straps, he just has 1 on them with 2 extra leather straps over top. When you're done watching this video, please make sure you share it out to a friend, as it'll greatly help grow the channel. And then of course, when you're done watching this warm-up, comment down below and let me know if you like Blackwood's setup more or Wedgewood's set a little bit more. And of course, you will see me review that set in the summer. Please don't ask too many questions about it now. Until then, let's watch this warm-up of the Colorado Avalanche featuring Mackenzie Blackwood and Wedgewood.
Perfect.
Thanks for watching this warm-up. If you'd like to watch more warm-ups in the 2025-2026 season, click that playlist right there. If you'd like to learn more about what the goalies were at the end of last season, please click that video right there.